Hello, this is Matteo. I'm the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones. These are the Donerton Wireless Earbuds, which run on Bluetooth 5. So the packaging is pretty straightforward. It's a cardboard sleeve with a few details of the specifications. You can connect these to two devices at the same time. They're Bluetooth 5, they have a declared range of 10 meters, and pretty much straightforward. They're available in red, white, and black. I chose to buy a pair of black ones. And it's very simple. You take the sleeve off, you have a normal box underneath with a barcode, and then this box should just slide off. Very good that there's not that much plastic there. And there you have a box, which is the wireless charging case and power bank for the headphones, with micro USB connectivity for charging, and the earbuds themselves. I'm going to take this out. Inside the box, as well as the micro USB charging cable. It's a nice short cable, which should be good for taking up less space when traveling. There's also different size of earbud plugs. And let's have a look at the earbuds themselves. The case opens and the earbuds go in like this, I'm assuming. And they clip in nicely. It's a magnetic clip. I think I've got them in the wrong way around there. That's better. So there you go. You can see that the earbuds have red lights on to show that they're charging, and the power bank power indicator shows the amount of power in them. And it closes tastefully. This is a nice tasteful pebble-shaped case for these wireless earbuds. Nothing really on the bottom, just the micro USB port on the side and a little lip for making it easier to open the case. Now, one of the reasons we found these interesting and we decided to purchase a pair was that in the Amazon specifications, there is a really funny bit that I need to read out to you. So apparently there are multiple using modes. So stereo mode allows you to enjoy premium HD stereo sound whenever you need to relax or on lighter duties. And this is the best one. Share mode. Give one earbud to your lover, family, friend to share your happiness. So I'm not sure how comfortable people I know would be to use an earbud that has already been in my earwaxy ear, and B, do they really want to share my happiness? This is the sort of philosophical question we answer at Tech Travel Geeks. So if you'd like to watch the full review of the Tech Travel Geeks reviewing the TWS5 wireless earphones, and to find out if anyone has wanted to share earwaxy happiness with us, do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. You can also read the written review of these earphones on techtravelgeeks.com. But for now, I will leave you with what you've seen of the unboxing of these earphones. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.